No, I told you you stay home or I'll do tomorrow.
Because you won't. I know better.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Kailangan ko lang pakainin itong aking mga alaga, no? Para naman makakain na yung aso. Kasi yung dalawang aso is hindi pa pinakain ni Mister. Pero yung dalawang pusa, pinakain na niya. At ang dami kong hugasan dito, yuts. Mga bayot. Look at mga bayot. Ang dami ko ding lilinisin sa labas, mga bayot. Daming dahon, yuts. I need to go to Home Depot, yuts. To buy bags. Sakit akong tuhod, yuts. Sakit akong tuhod dahil sa sa temperature. Sobrang ginaw, guys. Yep. Maginaw ang panahon. Babsy, what are you doing? Sinsya na kayo, guys. Yung pusa ko talaga. Why you lagot-lagot, Habs? Why you naglagot ka? Lagot, baya pag kunin mo ron. Diyos, ang akong baby na lalab. Uy, tush, may lalab. Uy, Diyos, nagka-fireplace na siya, guys, pero it's still cold pa rin. I'm gonna eat that I can cook, okay? I'm gonna eat one bread and coffee. I love you. I love you. You want something? Okay, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Grabe. Kapag tingginaw na, yung tuhod is talagang, iwan ko lang si Batman. There's a lot of hair over there. Pero yung aking malunggay is talagang tumutubo. Humahaba. Did Tommy bring it here? Nagpunta ako sa basement na sada ko konti. Sabi ko, Loy, nakalimutan ko ba? Wala na pala akong Hawaiian. Kinausip ko yung sarili ko sa baba. Sabi ko, wala na pala akong Hawaiian. Kawawa naman si Indemir yan. Ayaw ko na kumain ng bread, guys. Pero ito talaga yung problema, guys. Kapag andito yan sa harap ko, kapag andito to sa bahay ko, maano talaga ako, guys. Hindi ko siya maiwasan, guys. Grabe. Nagluto pa ako, guys. Kasi aalis yan siya. Papuntang trabaho. And then, nag-request yan siya kahapon. Gusto niya ng chicken thighs. And then, so nagmarinate ako ng chicken thighs. So, sabi ko sa kanya, ngayon ng umaga ko siya lulutuin. Kasi, hindi siya maaga. Sabi kasi niya, I'm going to leave very early, like 4 o'clock. And then, I'm not going home. Sabi niya. And then, na-cancel man yun, guys. Na-cancel yung show sa maaga na show. So, ngayon kaya 11 o'clock na siya alis dito sa bahay. So, sabi ko, actually, pwede ko yan lutuin bukas. Ngayon, ang dami kong gagawin. Magluluto ng chicken, gawa ng salad, and then I'm going to juice him a orange. Kasi, paborito niya yung orange. And then, kaya bumili ako kahapon ng orange, guys. Kasi, paborito niya ang orange. Basta kayo magtuslo og kape, guys. Ito talaga yung dahilan, guys. Tuslo tag kape, guys.
We're not implicating commercial pilots or personnel.
Really?
You stay here.
You stay here.
But you look like a guy who's working 2 jobs.
I go, you stay.
No.
Better that way. I go, you stay. It's better that way. You could be here too.
Well, you did white shorts.
You're cold.
When do you sit outside?
I told Tommy that I'm going to Walmart tomorrow or next day to get him cut litter because wala na, guys.
So you got no litter left.
So, and then he decided to run. It's just like, seriously, what, I cannot do it?
I'm not running. I'm just gonna go take a shower and stroll over there nice and calmly.
Just if you need anything, legal advice.
Grabe ang ginawa, guys. Sobrang lakas din ng hangin. Ay,
mag-Walmart pa talaga kami. Off ni Tami ngayon. Dapat andito. Hindi kami lalaya sa bahay. Pero hindi man talaga mahimutang itong asawa ko. Talagang hindi talaga yan siya mahimutang guys. Kailangan talagang alis. So sana talaga hindi ko minention yung cat leather. Hairbrush. And also, why you don't have a heavy jacket, Han? Han, it's very cold. Grabe katugnaw guys. And the wind is crazy guys. So let's go take na mahoma. Let's go. No, I told you stay home or I'll do tomorrow.
Because you won't. I know better.
What do you? I've been
well
going out.
Enough, I know you.
I've been going out, love. No, you're just looking for an excuse now.
I'm not looking for an excuse. The last thing I want to do is run out.
Guys, tara guys.
Right.
Dito na tayo guys. Grabe ka tugnaw. 21, the same thing. Okay.
One or you need two?
One only, oy. Oh, I need to get some pads.
Okay.
Excuse me. Guys, ito lang ang para sa akin. At ano pa? Of course, Tani want to get the cat food. Do you like the grilled one, huh? Oh no, the classic way. Huh? Walang darating dito guys ba?
Now we're going to lock everything up behind glass.
Wala.
People will pay for things.
Hanap tayo ng container para malagyan ng ating bigas kasi maraming container dito. Oopsie.
Oh, it's got a pour thing.
Yeah, I don't like that. I want to scoop because I want to do storage.
You can take
I
that
don't
out.
want it.
This is extra.
Yeah, I don't want it. Put it back.
Flour, sugar, rice, beans.
Nastani. Where you going? Ito na, nakabili na si Tami guys. Hindi ko na alam asa na yun. Ito, gusto ko to para sa kanya. Dito siya, oh. Tami. Uy, I'm here. I found something for you. Oh, that I like that light one. You have a lot of dark skin color. I like this light. I like this better than this. Okay, look this one. I wanna get you this. Sabi pa niya sa ladies daw ako. Ayaw ko ay I wanna go expensive store. I want to go to the expensive store. Okay, let's go get egg. Tapos na guys, pauwi na kami and nakabili na. It's very cold guys, grabe ka ginaw. Uy, look, they're like piling up here. Okay, so tapos na tayo and you're not cold. Do you want to do it in the back?
No, do that? Seriously?
No, it's not opening. Sakit sa taing yung ginaw. Grabe.
I got 330.
330, okay. I think I got 275.
Yeah, it's not really that much different.
Right. But your house is very well.
Hindi na mapalagay itong asawa ko dahil ngayon pa lang ako nagluto. Late kasi kami nakarating dito sa bahay. So madilim-dilim na sa labas. At gutom na, so kaya nagmabadali akong magluto dito guys. Kasi kung hindi ko ito lulutuin ay iwan ko na lang talaga. Pero makikita ko talaga guys na hindi siya mahimutang tignan yun. Basta magpalakad-lakad na yan guys. And then mag-open ng refrigerator. And then yun, hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin. Kung anong ilagay sa tiyan niya. Ngayon iinom siya ng juice. Ay, kilala ko na lang yung asawa ko guys. Kapag hindi yan mapalagay, gutom yan at walang makuot-kuot sa refrigerator kasi parang wala ng cheese din. Kasi yung cheese yung pinakamadaling kainin niya. So kaya nagmamadali tayo dito.